How to cancel Six Flags membership. So let me head over to one of the article which is gonna guide you on how you can cancel Six Flags membership. Well, this is the article that's gonna help you out. Over here it says how to cancel Six Flags. So the very first step is you have to visit this website. Once you are in the website of canceling the Six Flags, what you want to do is you have to enter your membership account ID and then enter your last name. Once you have entered your account details, follow the instruction on the website. You also have to state the reason on why you want to cancel the Six Flags membership. Once you have stated the reason, you have to confirm the cancellation. And then your Six Flags membership will be cancelled successfully. Once the cancellation process is complete, your recurring monthly payment will stop. However, you might still be billed for the month in which you cancel, depending on the timing and the terms of your agreement. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel Six Flags membership. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.